Hello, folks, students, and professionals. Let's welcome back another important session. This is part of our pricing configuration. What is pricing type in SAP ECC or S4HANA? A few examples for understanding. We can able to see that one. So basically, these are the transactions. Either week 11, week 12 for condition records creations, VA01 and VA02 for your sales order creation, VF01 VF02 for your billing creation. Okay. Before moving ahead, I would like to tell you pricing type. What exactly the pricing type? Pricing type is going to get control different variations and different validation how you would like to see your price based on business rules. For example, if you take a basic price, today you have created a sales order, and it might be like delivery you created and billing you created after 15 days. So then by the time your base price is changed, then you would like to, your order is not open but it need to be determined your billing document, that we can able to control with pricing type. Suppose any freight condition is there, that is maintained after your sales order is created and delivery created, and at the time of billing you would like to redetermine it. You can able to play with the system. If you would like to enter any manual condition which supposed to be get changed, it has a lot of scenarios, including if you would like to redetermine your tax, if you would like to redetermine your rebates, everywhere we can able to do that. So now let's play with the system, okay, one by one. So here I have created one order and delivery, and I would like to give the background about this one. Okay, let's press enter. Let's check the document flow. If you look at this for this order, okay, if I go to the sales order, okay, so the price it is negated. Okay, so you cannot do the billing for a negative value. Okay, so why it is got negated, I will explain you. Let's go to the analysis. You can able to see this. Okay, so the material level actual price is maintained 200. Okay, if you look at this, actually it should require a minimum quantity of 20. Okay, so then 200 will apply. 20 into 200, it will be 2000. If it is more than 25, greater than or equal to 25, 190 is the scale price. Okay, so now let's try to have an observation here of this scenario. Okay, so if I go to the doc flow, you can look at here. Actually, two pieces ordered in the sales order, but actual quantity is 20 at the time of delivery. That means 18 pieces were over delivered. So you're supposed to price it. How do you do that? Now let's go to VF01. So let's take this delivery, and if you look at this, I just made it in my copy control. Price is not changed for 20 pieces. Also, it is applying the same 200. Now I would like to apply a price. See, this is very, very important. Why? Because price types will play a lot of character at the time of resolving your support issues. Maybe price is missing, maybe price is changed, maybe price is changed. Initially, it is something different at the time of creating sales order. Maybe freight conditions not applied, maybe rebate conditions not applied. You would like to get redetermined. Then in that case, you will use this button called update. You can able to see different price types. Let's try to understand this. So first one is copy price elements, it redetermines scales. That means, so if it is copying from one document to another document, your base price or freight or whatever you take, those exactly will be copied, and those, if you would like to redetermine the scales, maybe scale, maybe quantity increase or decrease, such a cases, that such a case it will use. So completely you would like to run new pricing, then we will use it. Okay, this C means it will run. Think you are watching the right screen. Yeah, you are watching the right screen. So my manual price elements, okay, will be copied and redetermine the others. That means your manual, see, carry out new pricing means your manual pricing elements will be vanished. So that's why be careful. If you would like to resolve an issue, if any manual conditions are there, you have to choose this C instead of B. B is for your completely redetermining the prices, including base price to taxes, cost, and everything. G, this is only for redetermining the taxes. Okay, so remaining price elements unchanged. So this is for freight conditions, and this is for rebate conditions, and this is cost, redetermine taxes. So if you look at this, you have a X, Y, Z, all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All these are the reserved. So with the help of ABAP, you can able to modify this reserve redetermination. If you so for example, I will tell you. So based on plant and company code combination, only X supposed to work for certain base price. So you will maintain any certain G table outside, and you can ask ABAP to build the logics whenever X is there. So if in my G table plant and company code matches, then only I will redetermine like that. Okay, some conditions. So this is for metal, specifically he has given. So this is for rebate conditions. Okay, or is there. So this is for variant configuration condition types. Okay, so here price all right, and what I would say, base price or any condition types won't be, will not be changed, but only cost will be changed if any new cost value is there. Like that, you have different things are there. We'll see a few examples. For example, here is the case. So the price actually for 20 pieces. Okay, let's try to select this. Go to the condition records for 20 pieces. So each piece it's supposed to apply 200. Then it is qualified the scale. Okay. So since it is copied from sales order, the maybe in copy control, you have a price, what do you call, price type will be there. So there also. So it is D means unchanged actually. So that's why it is not changed. What should we do? If you would like to redetermine, go to the update. Let's run. We're checking the first one. B, remember this, carry out new pricing. So now if you look at this, what happened? So 200 into condition value, it is multiplied. 20 into 200, it is 4,000. Okay, you have a couple of discounts also applied. Okay, so if you look at this, go to the analysis. So here one manual condition also there. It is got vanished. Why? Because since we applied B, whenever you apply B, your manual price elements will be vanished actually. So how you will come to know? Let me show you in the sales order. If anything is there. Actually, I have entered. I will show you that one. So if we go back to the conditions, if you look at this, the order we don't have. So let's try to do one thing. Maybe we'll enter some 30. Okay, let's save this now. Okay, now let's try to do VF01. Let's go to the item level. Okay, now manual conditions, another 300 is copied. If I try to update with B, what it will happen, I will show you. This is for scenario. So your manual condition is gone, right? If you go to analysis, so your ZB001 manual condition is there, right? ZB001 gone. Let me show you again. VF01. Okay, So you will have a ZB001, ZB01. Okay, you have a ZB001. So when I try to update this, what? ZB01 gone. You got a tax you got and freight you got when you try to redetermine everything you got it, but that is gone. Okay. So if I go for C, what it will happen? That's why most of the time you have to use the C. You should be careful with your all pricing condition types. If you look at this, so this is also required, and at the same time for 20 quantity the price need to be calculated. Go to update, click on C. Okay, copy manual pricing elements and redetermine others. If you see this, ZB01 also available and remaining also available. This is how you have to play. This is the basic difference between B and C. Okay, so let's try to check G. G, what happens? It will try to keep the all the condition types as it is. Only tax will be redetermined. Okay, let me show you this one. This is for your understanding. I'm making this example. Don't think that all is available at the same time. You should not use all actually. So assume that your base price is available correctly. So only tax is not available. If you go to the analysis, if you look at this tax, it is 19%, but actually it is not available. You will get a cases like most of the times taxes might not be available. Okay, such a case if the tax condition later updated at the time of sales order, delivery tax condition is not available or a tax percentage is wrongly calculated. Such a cases you might have chances to redetermine, maybe because of your billing date and your pricing date is not matching with your tax actually. So many scenarios will come into picture. One go we cannot able to explain you. Based on your practice you will come to know, but I'm giving my best for your understanding. Let's try to see. See, you understand B and C. Let me try to show you the G. If I click this G, only tax is coming, right? So that is the specialty of G. Let me try to show you one more. So this is for H, only for freight. See, only freight is coming. I will show you that this difference tax already there. Only freight if you want it. In this case, assume that everything is available as per your business criteria. So let's try to click H. See, only freight is coming. This is how the difference. Now I don't have rebates is configured. Probably you can able to give a try. That is the basic advantage of update button. So now we understood how it works B and what is the basic difference between B and C and what is the copying pricing elements. G for redetermining taxes and H is for your freight conditions. Okay. In the similar way, I is for rebate condition types and this is for purchase net price. Okay, so this is cost. Okay, so like that your few things will be there. So currently no impact on this. This is how. So let's try to update with B. When I run with B, manual condition is gone. So I think you will get some idea about it, how it works. Okay, if you really want to learn the pricing in depth, please try this course. This is a basic course in ECC. It has its own depth, but don't miss this course. I'm just trying to add this video in the both the places. Okay, so this is for you will learn a lot with this course once you done this course. Currently holding 2000 students for this course, and it has its own depth. If you have a pricing basics, you try this course. It is very important, and it is on S4HANA screens. So if you would like to learn S4HANA sales, just you can subscribe this course. This is for specifically for condition contract management. Your ECC rebates got replaced by this concept. Actually, you can give it a try. Okay. Thank you so much and wishing you all the best. Probably I can save the billing document now. Maybe I'll do this one. So anyhow, there is no impact. This is test server. I just have saved the billing document. So you can able to see the accounting entries here. Go to the change and click on accounting. In accounting document, you can able to see the accounting entries like this, tax and all those things. Anyhow, this is closing of the thing. That's why I have shown you, but it is not required. This session is specifically about your pricing type, how it works. If you really like this video, if you really want these kind of videos, please subscribe and don't forget to chase my courses. It will have an impact at your work. So it is useful if you would like to learn support issues. Also, I have a couple of courses you can give a try. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the best. Have a great day.